G'day, I'm Livio Pace from Boss Attachments. I'm standing here with the latest toy to join the Boss Attachments portfolio. This is a Boss Extractor 4000. Come along and I'll show you what this thing can do. This particular unit is jam-packed with all the features possible. It's got a 2.6 metre slide-out cab, a glass floor so the operator's got an unobstructed view of the bucket at all times. It's got our Boss twin camera system, gives them 360-degree view of the bucket at all times. Boss auto lock system for optimum safety. The other remarkable feature this unit has is a backfill function. So where a telescopic arm is predominantly used to extract soils out of the ground, with this unit we can actually take product and lower it down into the ground safely with no fear of damage. It's an awesome unit. We can't wait to get it to work and show you what this thing can do. The Boss Extractor series come in an array of sizes from 15 metres to 45 metres. They'll suit excavators from your standard 14-tonne excavator right up to your mighty 110-tonne excavators. This particular unit has a reach of 40 metres. It's got a 1.5 cubic metre bucket. It will extend to 40 metres in 13 seconds and retract in 15 seconds. It will give you a conservative production rate of 100 cubic metres an hour at 40 metres depth. This unit's got a centralised greasing point system and full access panels to all internal components. Every part of this build was customised by Boss Attachments, all the way down to this 4.6 tonne underslung counterweight. For more information on the Boss Extractor series or any of the other great products we sell, look us up at bossattachments.com.au or give us a call on 1300 11 661.